The Cypress 5 RGB PC case features a stylish design with a unique combination of oak wood and a high-performance chassis, making it a perfect fit for any modern setup. It comes equipped with four 120mm ARGB fans, which are pre-installed and ensure excellent cooling while providing synchronized lighting effects. The front panel's optimized opening and mesh design significantly enhance airflow and reduce noise, ensuring efficient cooling for your components. This mid-tower case offers expansive compatibility, accommodating CPU coolers up to 160mm in height and GPUs up to 345mm in length. Convenience is prioritized with a Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, alongside two USB 3.0 ports and an ARGB fan control button for easy customization. Display your hardware with pride through the 4mm tempered glass side panel, which can be easily accessed using the rear thumb screw design.